Hello, my name is Tony Kimmet with USDA NRCS, the National Geospatial Center of Excellence. I lead imagery acquisition efforts for USDA NRCS. Both USDA NRCS and USDA ARS have similar goals: to assist with American agricultural operations, production, and environmental quality. USDA has an extensive history on collaboration with other federal agencies for GIS data acquisitions. A prime example of this is the NDOP Committee for Imagery Acquisitions. This presentation will focus on data collaboration between NRCS and ARS. Presently in USDA, only ARS, APHIS, and the United States Forest Service have congressional authority to operate UASs under congressional statute. ARS has extensive knowledge of UASs with various payloads such as natural color, multispectral, thermal, and LiDAR sensors. NRCS reached out to ARS to assist with piloting NRCS applications with UAS acquisitions from ARS. NRCS is working on partnerships for UAS data acquisitions, processing, and data utilization. We're already working with ARS. We also work with Texas A&M University Kingsville, the Soil and Water Conservation Districts, ESRI, GeoQ, and Cherokee Federal. This particular presentation is going to focus in on ARS and ESRI. ARS has a variety of UAS platforms and sensor combinations in many locations. NRCS offered ARS access to a new cloud-based UAS software and services from ESRI called SiteScan. NRCS was requested to offer this type of service from some of our strategic partners. ARS has offered to collect UAS data for several sites to NRCS. An example of an ARS-NRCS collaboration is of a LiDAR imagery acquisition in Oklahoma. An area that we're going to be working on is potentially pilot areas 1 and 2 that you can see in the upper left-hand corner. This area is going to be collected with new data to check for stream channel stabilization efforts and erosion flooding potential. In addition, ARS may complete additional UAS acquisitions for other states for NRCS. SiteScan is an enterprise-level UAS software and cloud services from ESRI. SiteScan can do UAS flight planning, operations, basically control the UAS while it is flying, data processing, processing imagery for a variety of products and services, visualization, which you'll see in a few minutes, and distribution. SiteScan's training has also been completed by many members of ARS and other strategic partners. ESRI SiteScan can offer USDA a method for collaborating together on processing of UAS data. In this example, there is a SiteScan project screen where approved members of ARS, NRCS, Texas A&M University, ESRI, and Soil and Water Conservation Districts can see UAS projects. We can invite the appropriate personnel to view, use, and visualize UAS data sets. This screen sample from SiteScan shows that UAS data can be uploaded, and you could do a variety of functions to this, including orthorectification, looking at the data in 2D, in a timeline, on cloud, or looking at 3D meshes. In SiteScan, you could examine different imagery dates of UAS acquisitions. On this particular sample from ARS, the Archibald site, you can compare two different acquisition dates of imagery. One collected in 2D, one collected in 3D. UAS data can be visualized in 3D with the ability to do a variety of basic GIS functions such as measurements. In this example, a barn's height was measured. Data that's been processed in SiteScan can be exported out for the end user's requirements. You can export them out as files, or you can publish to ArcGIS Online or to Portal. Another method for collaboration with the scientific community is that you could share data in SiteScan via a web browser. SiteScan offers you the ability of publishing what you see within SiteScan and sharing links to web browsers, which you can give to the appropriate scientific personnel. Potentially, this UAS pilot with ARS and NRCS can assist in data partnerships from our respective agencies. We can maximize GIS data utilization, remove barriers, gain efficiencies with data collection, processing, and storage. The ultimate goal of the USDA UAS pilot is to promote more open data collaboration of UAS data with scientists and our strategic partners. I want to thank you very much for your time today. Have a good day.